Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using two of these chalkboard stands from Dollar Tree. I paint both of them entirely with Italian sage acrylic paint, and that is by Folkart. Next I'm taking the scrapbook paper that I got from Temu and using two of the images with bees on them. And I set it inside the frame and press my hand along the frame to get the outline on the paper and then just trim that up. And then take each of those pieces of paper and apply Mod Podge to the back of them. I'm just using my craft sponge to apply the Mod Podge. I then place that inside the frame, smoothing it out with my hands at first, and then I do use some parchment paper to get that smooth and get in there along the edges to make sure it's fully attached. I then use my heating tool to dry it and do the same thing to the other one. And then I'm making a twine bow for each of them. I just wrap the twine around 3 fingers a few times and then pull it off my hand and tie another piece of twine around that loop and cut off the excess. And then hot glue each of those to the frame. And then I'm taking these bees that I got from Temu, hot gluing one to each of the bows and then one on the frame. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.